You asked how to buy shares of Arcus Biosciences Inc., and I will walk you through the steps. Arcus Biosciences is a clinical stage biotech focused on cancer immunotherapies, listed on NASDAQ under the ticker RCUS. This is educational content only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify the account, usually with an identity document, and then add funds to your account before buying. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker RCUS to find the listing. Make sure you select the Arcus Biosciences stock on NASDAQ so you have the correct asset. On the stock page, you'll see basic company information and a price chart for RCUS. Confirm the company name and ticker to ensure this is the correct share before proceeding. To invest, click the Buy button, choose the amount you want to invest, and review the order details carefully before confirming. If the market is closed, the order will execute when trading reopens. And if you don't have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before completing the purchase. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once the order fills. For convenience, the link to eToro is in the description below.